Social constructionism. Have you ever pondered the nature of reality and how it is shaped by social processes? How do societies collectively create and assign meaning to the world around them? Social constructionism, a theoretical perspective rooted in sociology and psychology, offers intriguing insights into these questions by examining how individuals and societies construct knowledge, meanings, and social phenomena through shared understandings and interactions. Let's delve into the key components of social constructionism, explore its applications in various contexts, and provide compelling examples that shed light on its practical implications. At its core, social constructionism challenges the notion of an objective or pre-existing reality that exists independently of human interpretation. Instead, it posits that reality is socially constructed through ongoing social interactions, language use, and shared meanings. According to this perspective, individuals and societies collectively create and shape their understanding of the world through social processes. One fundamental concept within social constructionism is the idea of socially constructed knowledge. It asserts that knowledge is not discovered but actively constructed and negotiated within social contexts. Knowledge is not an objective reflection of reality but rather a product of social interactions, cultural values, and historical contexts. For example, consider the concept of gender. While biological sex is based on physical characteristics, the meanings and expectations associated with being male or female are socially constructed. Society assigns certain behaviors, roles, and characteristics to each gender category, and individuals learn and internalize these norms through socialization processes. The meanings and expectations surrounding gender vary across cultures and historical periods, highlighting the socially constructed nature of gender identities. Social constructionism also emphasizes the role of language in the construction of social reality. Language is not simply a neutral tool for communication, but rather a powerful means through which individuals convey meaning and create shared understandings. Through language, individuals label, categorize, and describe the world, influencing how others perceive and interpret social phenomena. For instance, consider the concept of mental illness. Mental illnesses are not inherent biological conditions but rather social constructs that arise from the classification and labeling of certain behaviors and experiences as pathological. The Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, a widely used diagnostic tool, categorizes and defines mental illnesses based on criteria established by experts. These classifications and labels shape how individuals perceive and understand mental health issues, influencing treatment approaches and social responses. Furthermore, social constructionism highlights the role of power and social hierarchies in the construction of social reality. It acknowledges that certain groups or institutions have the power to shape dominant discourses and impose their interpretations on others. These dominant discourses influence how social phenomena are understood, valued, and legitimized within a society. For example, consider the concept of race. The meanings and categories assigned to race vary across different societies and historical periods. Race is not a fixed biological category, but rather a social construct shaped by historical, cultural, and political factors. The dominant discourses surrounding race influence how racial categories are defined, who is considered part of each category, and the privileges and disadvantages associated with different racial identities. Moreover, social constructionism recognizes the active role of individuals in the construction of social reality. Individuals are not passive recipients of social meanings but actively participate in shaping and reinforcing them through their interactions, interpretations, and behaviors. Individuals negotiate and contest social meanings, contributing to the ongoing construction and transformation of social reality. For instance, consider the process of identity construction. Individuals actively engage in self-presentation, adopting specific roles, behaviors, and language to construct and express their identities. These identity performances are shaped by social contexts, cultural norms, and interactions with others. Through these interactions, individuals validate and reinforce certain social meanings while challenging or subverting others. In conclusion, social constructionism provides valuable insights into how individuals and societies construct knowledge, meanings, and social phenomena. By emphasizing the socially constructed nature of reality, the role of language, power dynamics, and individual agency, social constructionism invites us to critically examine the ways in which social processes shape our understanding of the world. This perspective encourages us to question taken for granted assumptions, challenge dominant discourses, and recognize the active role we play in constructing and negotiating social reality.